reason you feel so sick and tired every single day is the same reason you are so unproductive. It all comes down to one root cause. You are not giving your body the love it deserves. So here are the top 3 natural supplements for your best health. First, seamoss, the favorite of Dr. Sebi himself. He taught us that seamoss has 92 of 102 minerals your body needs, and he gave seamoss to his patients for energy, immunity, and heart health. Next, black seed oil, a potent natural healer with countless benefits. Many who take it notice younger, smoother-looking skin and longer, thicker hair. Last, burdock root, high in vital antioxidants and fully Dr. Sebi approved. He said burdock root could purify your blood and clear your body of toxins. This right here combines all 3 of these wonderful herbs, plus many more, all in their purest form, like bladder rack, a gift for your gut health to help reduce bloating, along with ashwagandha for managing your stress levels. This is a multi-mineral sea moss black seed supplement by Clean Nutra.